So these are the most frequently asked questions that I get on my Grandeur Beauty Derma Rollers. So the first one is, what does a Derma Roller do? What a Derma Roller does is that it enhances the effectiveness of any serum or moisturizer that you are already using. So if you are using a serum for hyperpigmentation or to brighten your skin, it's only going to allow it to penetrate better into your skin. It will improve the skin color and texture. It will stimulate collagen growth. It tightens large pores. It's noticeably gonna reduce fine lines and wrinkles. It tightens loose skin. It treats deep acne scars, and it reduces the appearance of stretch marks and wound scars. Another question that I get a lot is, what step is this in my skincare routine? So everybody has a different skincare routine, so it depends on what you do. So most people will take off their makeup or just cleanse their face, and then they'll go ahead and go in with a toner. If you don't use a toner, then you can just go ahead and skip that step and go right into rolling. You have to make sure that your skin is completely and absolutely clean before you start rolling, okay? So you're gonna do this after your toner or after your face wash, but before your serum or moisturizer. Another question that I get a lot is, how do I use it? So you're gonna go in 4 directions, okay? So the first one is gonna be vertical. Then you're gonna go, you're gonna do, I like to split my face into quads. So either I will do 2 spots here and then do the rest, or I will just do this whole area first, then this area here, this area here, and then this area here. So I would call that a quad, right? So what you do is you go vertically, you go 5 times. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You pick it up, you go on to the next section. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? You can do 4 to 5 times in each section. Then you're gonna go horizontally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You get the point. Then you're gonna go diagonally this way, all over your face, and then you go diagonally this way. If you don't feel like doing it that many times, that's completely fine. It's up to you and it's up to your discretion. You know your body, you know your skin. So if you're getting a little bit irritated, you can skip one direction. It's completely fine. But this is what we advise for you to use. So once you're done with that, then you do the rest of your face in all the same different directions. And the most important thing that you need to know is that your skin needs to be clean. You need to sterilize this beforehand with alcohol for about 10 minutes. So you just sink it into some alcohol and then you allow it to dry. Once it's dry, you can go ahead and start rolling. After you're done with your rolling, then you're gonna sanitize it again, and then you're gonna put it away in the storage case where it came, allow it to dry, and then you cover it up. Another question that I get a lot is, how often do I use it? We advise that you use this Derma Roller 2 to 3 times a week, but sometimes people like to use it 3 to 4 times to 5 times, or even sometimes they build up to daily use, which is completely fine because the needle size is small enough that you can use it every single day. Just make sure that you are using a good SPF and that you're protecting your skin from the UV rays. The next question I get a lot is, does it hurt? I understand that a lot of people can be very intimidated by something that says microneedle, but that's exactly what it is. It's just a microneedle making micro punctures into your skin. Punctures that you will not see. So as you can see, I can completely roll over my entire hand. I would do it on my face, but I have makeup on, and you need to make sure that you have a clean canvas before using this on your face. Also, never share this. This is for individual use only. And yeah, so as you can see, I am not bleeding. My skin is not even irritated. I mean, I can keep rolling and rolling and it does not hurt. I mean, you feel a little bit discomfort, but it doesn't hurt like at all. So the answer to that question is no. Another question that I get a lot is, what serum do I use? Now, this question is very hard to answer and just generalize because every person has different skin concerns. Like my skin concerns are dryness and acne. And I also have dark spots sometimes, so because I have acne, I get the dark spots. So I use a vitamin C serum. Anything that has vitamin C is gonna be good for your skin. Hyaluronic acid is really good for your skin. But what I recommend you do is choose the one that's right for you. So what you would do is Google what your skin concern is. So best serum for hyperpigmentation, best serum for acne scarring, best serum for everybody has a different thing. For best serum for wrinkles, best serum for hair growth. There are different things that you can use for different reasons. So I don't want to generalize anybody. I think that the best thing to do is Google, do your research, and then go into like a store like Kiehl's or Sephora where they have a ton of different ones and get samples, and then you can roll your face and check out the one that you think is best for you and that you feel is gonna work. You can read reviews about a lot of them. There's so many out there. The one that I use, like I said, is a vitamin C serum, and I'm always trying new ones, and as a matter of fact, I am making my own, so stay tuned for that. As you are using our derma roller, a lot of people ask me, what about sun exposure? So you need to be careful with the sun. I have always used SPF on my face, even if it's wintertime, even if it's not sunny out. I wear SPF 24/7 on my face because you need to be protecting your face from the sun rays. That is the most damaging thing. Even if it's cloudy, you are damaging your face with the sun. Like the UV rays are getting to you one way or another, and so the best thing to do is just to always wear an SPF. I even have an SPF powder for me to touch up during the day. I think that the main thing that people are wondering is, how can this product work so good, right? So the reason why it works so good is because it's creating micro channels to your dermis, so underneath your skin. Anything that you are using that's topical is known to not be able to penetrate well enough into your skin for it to make a big difference in your skincare routine. That's why when you buy a serum, a lot of people think that it does not work. Of course it doesn't work because it's just sitting topically. So what you do when you are using this derma roller, once again with these micro needles, you are creating little channels for your skin to penetrate better all these vitamins and all these things that you're spending tons of money on. This one too is gonna help you get the best results out of any cream that you're using, out of any serum that you're using. It's gonna help you with saving money because you're not gonna wanna get any more laser treatments. Also, the recovery on this is a few hours compared to if you go get an actual microneedling service, which is gonna rip your skin apart and you can't wear makeup for 2 weeks. This is a subtle way to get the results that you want because you are doing it every single day. You're creating more collagen, you're creating more elastin, you're allowing your skin to basically renew itself without actually puncturing it. So in a sense, you are injuring your skin a tiny little bit, but it's almost just to trick your mind into creating new skin. So these are the benefits of using a Grandeur Beauty Derma Roller. Now don't forget that we use top quality titanium, which means it's more durable and it will not rust. I tested a million of them and I made sure that I chose the right factory, the right places, the right needle size, and the right metal for you guys to get the most benefits out of it. In your packaging, you will receive your Grandeur Beauty Derma Roller with a storage case, and you will also get the usage tracker to make sure that you don't go over 30 uses, and then you replace it and then you make sure that it's nice and clean and sterile. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate all the support. If you have purchased your Grandeur Beauty Derma Roller, please make sure you take before pictures before the first use because you will see results immediately. So the next day you're gonna see your skin nice and glowy. You're gonna feel like your skin is literally flourishing, okay? So make sure you take pictures and you tag us and use the hashtag #MyGrandeurBeauty or just hashtag #GrandeurBeauty and keep us updated. I love to see my clients' progress, and if you allow me to, I would love to post it onto our Instagram or our website. And I really appreciate you guys for watching, and if this was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you have any other questions, please feel free to comment below, and I will make sure that I make another video soon to reply to those questions as well. Love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.